I like it. It's like making it's easier to do my edges. I like it. I like it. 10 out of 10. Okay, hey YouTube. It's my red. I'm finna dye my hair. Attempt to dye it. I'm kind of scared though because if this shit don't come out right, I'm gonna have to put wigs on until I get it right. And it's too hot to be wearing wigs and shit all the time. But so I just trying to go for like this light. I don't even know. I just want my hair lighter than this. I'm tired of looking at it, but I don't know. But I got Creme Nature Honey Blonde. This right here. And I don't know. It's like my hair's medium brown, so it says it's gonna lift to that like light color. And I kind of already had that color before, so I think I'm gonna be okay with it. But then again, like I didn't have that color with this length of hair, and I don't know if I'm gonna be feeling that or not. Like my hair, I washed my hair yesterday, so it's pretty clean. But I do have like gel and edge control on it. Yeah, so I don't know. But I'm gonna read the little instruction, and it says, okay, I'm not mixing shit, but I need my hair for little quadrants. I was gonna throw them all in here and just see what the fuck it comes up with, but oh shit, where my fucking brush at? Hold up. Okay, so section your hair into 4 different sections, quadrants. Oh, it's telling me how to mix the color first. Hold on, I want to know everything.
6.5 hours later.
Am I not supposed to sit up under some heat? Leave on 25 minutes. Y'all ain't telling me to put a cap on?
An eternity later.
Read before coloring. I am. I feel like they leaving some shit out. This is not telling me enough. Maybe I'm Spanish.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
I can't even read that shit. I thought they'd be telling them. I'm kind of nervous. I did buy this dye for like fucking $2, like probably like $4. So I'm kind of nervous. Maybe do I want to wear these gloves? Do I want to wear my gloves? Cause I dye a wig too. I got a wig I'm trying to do. I think these gonna be better because that other shit is not as. Look, it don't even clasp on my hand. Y'all just gonna let that shit get on my wrist. Damn. This what niggas feel like when they put on condoms. Okay. I don't like this shit. We're gonna see how this shit goes. So first, if I cut it, I mean, if this shit comes out ugly and it ruins like my hair texture and shit, I'm cutting my hair again. You know, I've been contemplating it for like months now, but now I feel like it's, I don't know, like I never really gave a fuck about cutting my hair. Like, if the shit fuck up, then fuck it. Pour the ammonia-free colorant into the cream developer. I don't remember doing this shit in college time. Well, we use real color. That's why I'm so fucking scared. Yeah, it is developer. Don't smell like shit. Well, I'm using 30 developer instead. That's why. That's why that shit say leave it on 25 minutes. I thought I was supposed to leave this shit on like 40 minutes. Motherfuckers using half the time and shit because they got this damn quick moving ass developer. Fuck. Mix it. And then, is this supposed to last all my head? Because I just feel like this ain't enough. I got 2 boxes though, but shit, like, what if I just decided to get one and think that was enough? Like, what if they bamboozled me?
Take dinner with me until the entire thing is fully blended.
$6, cause like, this shit cheap as fuck. What if I ruin my hair and I get it on video of me like fucking my shit up? Crazy, my legs anyway. Y'all, it's all or nothing now. Shit. Okay. I'm gonna scoot up. So I'm just. Ooh. All this shit finna be so. Ooh. Hold up. Okay, where's my clip? I don't know. I think I'm gonna use it a technical way so I can feel good about it if it fucks up. Okay. Oh wow, guys, look, I done put that shit on there. I really done put this shit on here. Did I put it on the roof? I'm gonna put. I might as well, right? Like, I might as well. Like, what's the point of not? Like, I might as well just put that bitch on there. Oh my God, I see it in line already. I'm a grinder. Having my way with the money, yeah, that shit keep coming and coming. This shit look like it's gonna fuck my hair up. Maybe I'm gonna go in more with the roots after the fact. I can't, this thing about these gloves, I can't tell. Okay, so I'm gonna grab box number 2 because I just feel like my hair is not saturated enough. If that makes any sense. Like, I see it lifting a little bit towards the end. A little bit though, not a lot, but you know, ugh, look how it came out. Stop, it's so fucking nasty. But yeah, I just feel like it's not lightening enough for me. Like, I guess now that I see the color coming in, I'm not scared anymore. You can't really tell, but I can't where I'm at. Why do they keep giving me the same notification? Like, damn, Facebook, I do not care that much. Oh, fuck. It got on my rug. I keep spilling it everywhere. Yeah, this is gonna be the debauch concoction because this shit really got on my fucking rug. Yo, like, it's just the cream. I don't know. At this point, throw the whole rug away. Where the fuck is the tool? Okay. So, gonna shake this the fuck up. I used to wear my hair natural. This is kind of cute. Until it dries up and it looks like damn food.
Okay, let's my hair start going down instead of out.
It be acting funky. It won't look good for cameras, guys. Oh! Yeah, I'm not doing this one.
Bruh.
Whew, my dick just jumping. I feel it right now.
Yeah, this shit look funny as fuck. Okay, let me go over here and see if it's doing that. Y'all, it's lifting. I'm scared as fuck. I'm a real ass bitch. That shit didn't hurt. Y'all, it's lifting up. It's turning like this. Y'all, I can see it right before my eyes. I'm looking. Y'all can't tell because maybe this bright to the light too damn bright, but I can tell. I wonder if it's doing it in the back. I can't tell. Can y'all tell? Maybe I'll put some more back. All my edges is in this bitch. And now we're gonna let it sit like this. With my cap so I can keep this heat. Like, the heat from my head is gonna make this shit develop so quick because I'm gonna be, you know, like confining it. Your hair, the reason I didn't want my root, fuck, come on. I didn't even know I had this stuff. My head too small. Hold on. Okay, so let me, what time is it? It's starting to lift though, but I want to be like too appalled by this, like, this color. I didn't figure out what I'm eating for dinner tonight. If I rinse this shit out and style it by 8:55, 9 o'clock, 10. So now I see a difference. Like, my roots is like light as fuck. I look bald. I better like this shit when I get done. I don't know what the back looking like. I don't know. But I'm about to rinse this shit out. And I done hit this shit in my eye so many times. But I'm about to rinse this shit out right now with my shit. With this, and maybe this. But I'm not going to record that because it's doing too much. This is it just after the rinse. And damn, this is, y'all, this shit is like red. This ain't even, do we look the same? Wait, it is kind of the same, but it's kind of not like, I don't know, bro. This shit kind of cute though. Carrot Top, Maya. What the fuck? Oh, y'all. Wow. Okay, it's still some on my scalp though, so let me go. Okay, so I'm back after washing the shit out. And like, when I'm like this, you can tell it took a lot up here. Like, a lot. It took a lot. But when you see my like edges and shit, and to think I was trying to be so sparse about them edges at first. I even waited till like the end to put them on my edges. Damn, my eyebrows look nice as fuck. Y'all, they so damn light. Black wear. Dark brown wear. Number 2 wear. I don't even know what color this would be. Y'all, this is like really, I feel like this ring light doesn't do it much justice. Like this shit is like really like it's like giving me orange. It's a thing. I didn't even want that. Like, I didn't want orange. It looks something natural. But it tastes like whatever I use in my hair. I should call my chin. But yeah, so I'm about to take this Creme and put it on there for like 5 minutes. Cause my hair actually dry as fuck. And then I'm gonna put the conditioner in there. And then I'm probably gonna get my fucking food. And then I'm gonna come back and style my hair. So I'm gonna go over there and look like a crackhead, but it's fine. I'm fucking back. I'm back with another shirt too. I'm back. This shit is like, I don't know, like it's really bright. It's not bright. It's giving me like ginger. My conditioner is still sitting in my hair. That's why I stand up like this. Cause I went and got my my shrimp, but it's like, it's just at the roots you can see how light it is. It really lifted a lot, and I don't regret it. It's just so foreign to me. I don't know, it lifted a lot though, but like when I pull it up, it's so orange looking, and when I put it down, like it's like brown. So not too trippy off of it. It's just something to look at because I'm used to light hair. I'm finna rinse this out, and then I'll probably like style it. I don't know if I'm gonna style it down because I'm finna pull it right back up in the morning. I don't know, but we're gonna see. But I think like I didn't leave it on long enough for, well, obviously my hair wasn't light enough for it to even lift like that. Cause my hair was dark as fuck. But you see, like it's giving me a little bit of that orange, a little bit of that, like it's supposed to be honey blonde, but this is actually kind of fucking orange. Is honey blonde supposed to be orange? Honey blonde. I guess it is supposed to be orange, but shit, like I feel like they should just put orange on that bitch. But yeah, so I'm about to rinse some of this out, rinse my hair again, and then put some product in it, do my hair up, edges, something, so y'all can get a little final cut, so I can look like somebody. Might put some lashes on so I can feel cute about it. I'm back, guys. Okay, so I like it because you can see, like, I guess when you put product on it, it looks a little different. You know, it's not giving me bum, it's giving me like new Maya. Like new Maya for real. This is my lashes. Put a gloss on. And yeah, I did my edges up real good. Put some conditioner in my puffs, and I didn't really define it, no cap. I didn't feel like it, but I like it. It's like making it, it's easier to do my edges. I like it. I like it. 10 out of 10. I like it, but yeah, I don't know why I put these lashes on. I just wanted to feel cute because I'm about to go Snapchat. I'm about to go Snapchat. I'm about to go Snapchat. Anyways, so shop lash out. Let's lash _ out on Instagram. Shop with her. It's a black owned business, you feel me? And all the lashes are like pretty as fuck. Anyways, so yeah, get into those edges though. I didn't do an edges tutorial because my edges pretty cute. Pretty cute. But anyways, that's all I got. Overall, I think it's a win. It's a W. It looks cute to me. Like, I had to draw on it, but I like it. It's a new Maya. We're not so dark. You know, we light. It's a little light at the root. It's like brown. Maybe I need to get some different so you can see. Oh, y'all ain't finna see how ugly my room looks, but yeah, like.
Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God!
Hell. Anyways, so like I said, like, comment, subscribe. You know, Cream of Nature. This is the box I use again. Cream of Nature, Honey Blonde. Yeah, this I'd give it like a 9 out of 10 because, like, yeah, it was good. The only thing that I felt bad about, like, the color kind of snuck up on me, like, whoa, bitch, I'm here. And I feel like, you know, yeah, I don't like that. Yeah, I just didn't like that part. But other than that, it was pretty decent. I like it. 10 out of 10. Get it done. Girl, if your hair dark as fuck and you just want a little, you know, of some color, get some of this. Does this not look good on me? Maybe I need to try some other lights. My LED lights coming in tomorrow. Is this not cute? It's cute as fuck. Yeah, I thought so. Alright. Anyway, subscribe to Maya Red. Add me on Instagram at red_. Whoa, not underscore. The fuck? Red.goddess. GODDESSS. So 3 S's on the end of that. Add me on Twitter at MayaXRed with 2 D's. And you can add me on Snapchat at red_goxx. That's all I got. I'm finna fucking leave. Bye. I'm fucking hungry.
Get you a sprung.